In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Analytics to your Hostinger website builder. This easy and straightforward process will allow you to gain insights into your website traffic and understand your audience better. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to Hostinger's official website. You'll want to have access to the tools and features on their platform, so head over to their main page where you can begin this journey of integration. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner for that familiar login button and click on it. Enter your login details, making sure everything is correct, and then proceed into your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll see multiple options on the dashboard. Look for the website option among these choices and click on it. This will lead you to a comprehensive view of your website settings and management tools. To move forward, you need to make changes to your existing website, so go ahead and click on Edit Website. This will redirect you to the core section where all the changes happen, the website builder. Once inside the website builder, it's time to search for that three-dot icon, typically representing more options often found in a corner or next to menus. Click on it to access additional settings. From here, you'll see a list of integrations that can enhance the functionality of your website. Navigating through the options, go on to click on Integrations. Among the various integrations available, Google Analytics will be listed. Click on Google Analytics to proceed with linking your Analytics account to your website. Google Analytics is an essential tool as it provides you with detailed reports about your website's performance. This access lets you make informed decisions based on real-time data concerning visitors, traffic sources, and user behavior. The next and crucial step involves adding your Google Analytics ID. If you haven't already created one, you may need to visit the Google Analytics website to set up an account and retrieve your unique ID. Once you have this ID on hand, input it into the designated field within the Hostinger website builder. Double check that you've entered it correctly to avoid any errors during the connection process. Now with your Google Analytics ID in place, your website will start feeding data into your Analytics dashboard. That's it. You're all set to monitor your website's activity and make data-driven decisions to enhance user experience and grow your presence online. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully linked Google Analytics to your Hostinger website builder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.